Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today we're going to do some pork belly burn ends. It should be good. Some people might refer to them as pork belly candy bites. Either way, you still achieve the same product. We're going to do them on the Pit Boss here. Before we get into this, if you guys are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe. I'd love to have you join the team. This is our pork belly we're working with right here. As you can see, nice pork belly. This is where you get your bacon from the pork belly section of the pig. So what we want to do to start off first is we're going to just cross hatch it across, slice it. Don't slice all the way through though. Make sure you're using a nice sharp knife. We're going to start getting those bites right now just by doing this. Don't score it all the way through. Score it almost all the way through. I'll show you in a minute what I mean. Now you want to use a sharp knife, not a dull knife. That way it's easier to score through it. When you're scoring through it, it'll be just like this. As you can see, there we are. Now, we'll finish scoring it along this way. As you can see, we finished scoring it the one way. Now we're just flipped it over now. Sorry, flipped it around, not over. Now we're just going to score it the opposite way now. Careful not to score it all the way through. Just like that. There you go. There you go, your individual cubes starting to happen right now. Just like so. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and we'll get to the seasoning part of this. Oh, there we are. We've got it all squared off into bite-sized pieces that you want. Now here comes the seasoning part. For our seasoning, we're going to hit it with a binder, some Canadian maple syrup. Now, people are probably thinking I'm a little offside with that, but hey, pork belly burnt ends or candy bites. This will add to the flavor. It'll be very nice. That should be enough there. Get right in between. Then we're going to go and hit it with our rub. We're using this one here, Cosmos Q Dirty Bird. Now that we've got it scored up nicely, we can get the seasoning everywhere. All throughout the middle. Open it up. Get it all in there. Look at that, nice. I'm going to finish seasoning this up. We'll pick back up once the Pit Boss has come up to temperature. Our Pit Boss has come up to temp. I've got it set at 250 degrees. You can see I have my Smoke X4 there. That's doing something different. I'll explain later. Maybe not in this video, maybe in another one. Let's get this on there. As you can see, I also have 1, 2, 3 grape probes set up. Let's get these pork bellies on there. They're all seasoned all the way through nicely. Go. Should get some good smoke on those now. Close our lid down and let it go. Half hour into this, we've still got our grill set at 250 degrees, sorry, not 350. There's what we're looking at. Grill sounds very quiet today. Not sure why that is. It's running, but it sounds very quiet. That's what we're looking at after half an hour in. We're gonna let this keep going. I'll give you guys another peek in probably half an hour from now. Oh, we've been another hour Not a half an hour, like I said, we'd probably pick up and check in another half hour. It's been an hour, so a total of an hour and a half right now. Still got it set, 250 degrees. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. These are almost ready to start temping out. I'm gonna let those go a little bit longer. Get this lid closed. I'm gonna let those go another 15 minutes, and I'll start temping them from there. Let's take some temp readings here. Let's see what we got there. 140, 165, 166. 148. Other end. 160. We'll get some different readings across the board. Not a big deal. These are cooked though. Right there, but we're not done. I'm going to get this pulled off and show you what the next step's going to be. Here we are, off the pit. We got our nice pork belly here. Now, you're going to want to cut the pieces off of the fat cap. Put them into an aluminum pan. So now we have it all cubed in our aluminum pan here, as you can see. Go ahead and take some butter. Got about a quarter cup of butter here that I've cut up into individual little small pieces that I can place in miscellaneous places. Next, we're going to be hitting this with Cosmos Q, original competition barbecue sauce. I haven't tried this yet. There you go. It's brand new. Oh. Smells good. We got Dirty Bird on there from Cosmo Q. So now let's put some of this competition barbecue sauce on there too. That looks like it's good. And I'm going to go ahead and add some dark brown sugar to this. This is where we're going to get all of our candy from. From the nice brown sugar and the barbecue sauce. I'm not saying you guys have to use exactly what I'm using here, but you guys could. I'm not sure what it's going to taste like yet. I know what the Dirty Bird tastes like because I've had that many times. I've just never had the barbecue sauce yet. It'll be a first for me. There we go, just like that. So now we're going to want to get this back on the pit. And here we go, put it back out. We got our butter, brown sugar, and our barbecue sauce on there. Burn-ends almost ready. We still got our pit running. Now just place that right in the middle there again, just like it was. Close up the lid and let that go. That butter's gonna melt, that brown sugar is gonna start melting down, breaking down. Then we'll see what happens from there. It's been about 5 minutes since we just put it back on the pit. Take a pair of tongs, give it a little mix. Get all those flavors mixed up in there together. Get everything covered nicely. Just like that. Now we're just going to let that go. they get crispy enough that I like them. Same for you. Do them till they get crispy enough to your liking. Then they're ready to pull off. They're already cooked at this point, so now we're just caramelizing and crisping them up to nice bites for us. Here we are, after 15 minutes of resting. I had these on the grill for another 45 minutes after I last showed you guys, when I just put it in there and stirred them up. So the total cook time was almost in around 2.5 hours for these. Not bad. They came out pretty good. You guys can see. Pork belly burn ends, or pork belly candy bites. Now let's grab one of these guys here. They're nice and sticky. Look at that. Oh, God. Mm. Oh yeah. Mm. Those are really good. We nailed that one. There you go. You guys see how to do pork belly burn ends the way I do it. If you guys like this, give it a shot. If you guys haven't tried it yet, it's something you gotta try. It's got that nice sweet to it. That rub gives a little salty savory to it as well. Now, I used the ThermoPen MK4 in this video, as you've seen. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, because Labor Day Monday, which is September the 7th, you guys can get 20% off one of these if you use the link in my video. So if anybody is interested in one, go ahead, click on the link, take you right over there. You guys can purchase one. If not, not a big deal. I'm not really worried if you buy it or you don't. I just really like using that product and figure I'd share it with you guys. They were nice to give a 20% discount for it, for Labor Day only. So go by and check it out if you're interested in one. Now pork belly burn ends. Finished. Done. You guys know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.